Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a drive through Saint-Lambert, Quebec. This charming city is located on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, directly across from Montreal. Saint-Lambert's history dates back to the 17th century when it was first settled. The city was officially incorporated in 1921. The city is renowned for its rich architectural heritage, showcasing a variety of styles that reflect its historical and cultural evolution. Saint-Lambert is often described as a garden paradise, featuring an urban forest and enchanting settings that offer a fulfilling living environment for individuals and families alike. Thank you for joining this exploration of Saint-Lambert, a city that beautifully blends its historical roots with modern-day charm.
watching!